and the tips them hollow. It spin like wheel and a
push like barrow. Wheel bumper clap barrow head a spin like wheel and a push like me blood clad people are what my name. And why
Reaction.
yo Lord Evil. Touch out with the broad eagle. What's ready to Mr. Boy Tariq Vlogs, aka the reaction boss? Now back in effect with another video for you guys. People comment on this video to see your comment right there next video that I post. Now we have a song from TMan called MADDAWG official music video. We love music videos. You see me? I'm gonna see what's going on. I'm just doing random videos. This is like my 5th video. I'll sit right here and doing right now. 5th. You feel me? And it's like I'm just scrolling and I'll say, oh, that's next. It dropped a day ago. Let's do it. You feel me? Reaction boss. We're active. We're fully active, man. Let's go. You see me? So and do say. You see me? You know what? I joke, man. Anyways, TMan. Let's see what I'm going for TMan. I don't tell me react to a TMan song. You see me? Let's see what's going on. We lock in. Wait, to like the video yet? Are you subscribed to the channel yet? We're trying to reach 20,000 subscribers, you know, like what's going on? We're trying to reach 20,000 subscribers before the end of the month, people. Yes, before October 31st. So subscribe. TMan, run it! Everything fake. Props. Them purpose looks real.
Ugh, Justin? I hate Justin.
My dog catch your pussy, put him on him, he's busting out ahead while you rifle speaking Portuguese. Should I think twice before you even start with trouble with the darkest life you have feeling.
The video too clean. That video clean the fuck. Hold on. The video is clean.
My dog catch your pussy, put him on him, he's busting out ahead while you rifle speaking Portuguese. Should I think twice before you even start with trouble with the darkest life you have feel it on no comedy.
Yeah.
Stop throw shade like you feel it I go bother me.
Yeah.
Team bad burn your face like a hard.
Hold on, now we might talk to stop throw shade like if you take a bother me. It's shade now bother but dog I sound like you're a rapper. Rapping like a rap.
I no medalist but them running like athlete. 7.6 to a stop boy heartbeat.
Yeah.
Couple killers in a unmarks here. 15 a shout and the 16 a echo.
Yeah.
Can't get away.
15 a shout and the 16 a echo. Go
The
on.
guns them Lego. Anyway you run near the con them follow. New 19 and the tips them hollow.
Yeah.
Spin like wheel and a push like barrow. Sense.
Clad. Punch back a punch. Hold on, my general. Hold on, my general.
New 19 and the tips them hollow. Spin like wheel and a
Push like barrow. Wheel bumper clap barrow head a spin like wheel and a push like me blood clad people are what my name. And what my name? TMan.
Senseless joy, me no know about sorrow.
Yeah.
Kill and collect and forget that tomorrow.
Oh.
Ling Zuti and Crawler. Click click, Ling Bolo and Nola. Die 4 gun man, the show by your doorknob. You better ready for the action. How I'ma talk about action, I mean the pump action. All the killers them ready for go bust gun. We no new to the killing, we are custom.
Yeah.
Outside long time, them man now come.
Yeah.
Then we knock it on the ups from how long?
Yeah.
All a tongue at the 6-9 playground.
What?
See them active, them bases I go stung.
What?
Pass twice, how nobody feel me shoot down.
What?
Feeling while I next base me have to roll pun.
What?
Yeah, we moving like shutters in a Kingston. No take goes dog, we no fear.
Dog say move like shutters in a Kingston. No, man, I forgot. Remember that train a little bit. Hold on, the intermission in the middle of the reaction, people. Me I go see what the comment section I say. Me blood clot. The song your boy. TMan him name. You see me I say. What's it, my dog? TMan never disappoint. This is it, bro. TMan could have always spit flames, protect this man at all costs. TMan never fears. Instant it. Must say TMan just keep getting blood clot. Because TMan fully 9. Good work. Blood clot. Love from 9 outside fully. I think we see another song with Taffy Boss. I'm long time. Yeah. This is me blood clot. Video clean your fuck. And that me said that the video clean your fuck. Big up TMan. Yes no man. Fully 9 them say. TMan your general. Bad your bad TMan. Bad your bumper clot bad. But Chris Ross I tune still. People like your video right now. If you sang bad, just on fire emoji right now. Run tune.
Me knock it on the ups from how long?
Yeah.
The whole of tongue at the 6-9 playground.
That's the whole at home at 6-9 playground. And them run the thing.
Say them active, them bases I go stung. Pass twice, how nobody feel me shoot down.
Yeah.
Feeling while our next base me have to roll pun. Yeah, we moving like shutters in a Kingston.
More shutters in Kingston.
We don't take ghost dog, we no fear man. Everything that's flout at the Ingram. Body drop on the cold ground. Mother ball, oh gosh, them a two son. So the 9 do the crime, them gruesome. Ambush and we gone with your whole gang. Last thing them a fi see a 9 gun man. First time me I go hear 12 dead man. Say we better than the ISIS Taliban. One land a boom land fully be man. They make her feel like go all the day man. Anytime they done vexing I go spare man. Quick we do the dirt and we not take long. Hilltop back.
Quick like Tappy Boss. Quick.
Time they done vexing I go spare man. Quick we do it dirt and not take long.
Alright.
Hilltop badness bust big guns.
What?
You fire march out with the pan drum. Enemies evacuate when we jump out. Yeah, me pressing up the trigger till it conk out. In front of the place where your body get jack up.
Don't take long thing. And when I had the see man, I that dangerous fellow and I had the see man. And I all had the see boy.
Thank you
Due
very much.
respect.
My dog catch your pussy, put him on him knees, busting out her head while you rifle speaking Portuguese. Should I think twice before you even start with trouble with the darkest life you have to live it on no comedy. Stop throw shade like you feel it I go bother me. 15 bad burn your face like a heartbeat. I no medalist but them running like godly. 7.6 to a stop boy heartbeat.
Bad song, bad blood clot. Yo, I rate it. I like how him deal with it. You see me, him step out, him profile, him sing like him sing like he mean it. You see me, I say, but and the video clean dog, I fuck with it dog. It's like me never even know for react to the bomb class song that I told me just invested in the video. That's for this what dog got to say. Bad your bad team man. Bad your bomb class bad team man. You see me, I say one of the artist thing right now. Baddest lyricist over Trinidad man. Bad. Anyways, just a master sign out. Make up on yourself as usual. You see me, I say, go show TMan some love over, go over my channel, go drop a comment, like, subscribe. You see me, I say, and same thing over here. So you see me, I say, we are charging 20k over here, so you know a chop already, you know. You don't know a chop, you know. Peace.